Okay, you guys, Chris Lambert here again with another mystery unboxing. I got this box in the mail today, and it's from superherostuff.com, and I couldn't remember what I ordered, so I did cheat and look it up. So I do know what it is, but you don't. So, and since I found out what that is, it goes along with this. So we got two things to unbox today. So let's start with the first one. A $12 Walmart tool, multi-tool here from Walmart.com. Okay. Let's see if we got the right one. Alright, we got a invoice from Superhero Stuff. Let's see what it is. Wrapped in there pretty good with paper. Looks like it's wrapped up in plastic. Let's open that up. Okay, we got us a can of shark repellent. Now, why would anyone need shark repellent? Well, you can see it says on the back Oceanic Repellent Bat Sprays, which reminds me of a movie, the 1966 movie Batman. And I think Batman's flying his Batcopter above us right now. The one that he lowered Robin into the ocean to land on the boat. Okay, you guys. Minor setback there. My camera stopped filming. I don't know if I touched it and pressed the stop button, but anyway, to continue, we have what I meant is Robin flying the Batcopter lowers Batman into the ocean. He's trying to land on a boat, on a ladder, on some kind of rope ladder or something, and the boat vanishes, or the ship vanishes, and Batman ends up in the water, which Robin pulls Batman out of the water, raises the Batcopter, and Batman's got a big shark on his leg. So here we go. I'll open this up again because I had it all packed up and ready to go. So Batman yells to Robin to hand him down the shark repellent. So Robin searches through all the different types of fish repellents, and here we go, until he finds the shark repellent and has to climb down the ladder. I guess he puts the Batcopter on autopilot, if you can do that. And yeah, Batman has to spray the shark with shark repellent to get it to stop biting him. Of course, Batman suffers no injuries, no bite marks, no damage to his costume, because it's a movie, and it's a funny movie, you know. That's from the 1966 Batman movie that was made to promote the 1960s Batman TV series to Europe. And movie was made after they had already filmed the first season of Batman, starring Adam West. So, seeing that we have the shark repellent, yeah, that leads me to bring this out. Which is the shark. And I got I think this was around $20 from Amazon. No, this was from like Superheroes. Let me see where it's. Superherostuff.com, Pennsylvania. Looks like. Okay. The shark mask from Amazon was only like $10. They had a more expensive version, but I went with this one. Pretty bloody though, but yeah, it's getting windy out now. So there we go. We got for our Halloween costume contest. It'll work. We've got the shark repellent and the shark that bit Batman. So, thanks. There you have it. That's what's in my mystery box today. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Chris Lambert if you like my content. Share if you like. And thank you.